Did you know a cover letter can be your secret weapon in job applications? It's not just a formality, it's your personal marketing document. Even without experience, it can make you stand out from the crowd. A cover letter complements your CV by adding a personal touch. It allows you to elaborate on your skills, experiences, and career goals, making your application more compelling. Selecting the right cover letter template is crucial. It should match your CV to ensure a consistent and professional look. Explore creative, professional, and modern templates to find the perfect fit. Understanding a company's culture and values is key. Use their website, social media, and networking to gather insights. Tailor your cover letter to reflect genuine interest and alignment with their mission. By demonstrating knowledge of the company, you show that you're not just looking for any job, but the right job. This can set you apart from other candidates. Align your cover letter with the job description. Highlight transferable skills from education or volunteer work. Showcase your enthusiasm and willingness to learn, even if you lack direct experience. Customizing your cover letter shows that you've taken the time to understand the role. It demonstrates your commitment and eagerness to contribute to the company. Emphasize skills like communication, problem solving, and teamwork. Use examples from academic projects or extracurricular activities to illustrate how these skills are relevant to the job. Transferable skills are highly valued because they increase your employability across various roles and industries. Highlighting them can significantly enhance your candidacy. Thoroughly check your cover letter for typos and grammatical errors. Ensure all information matches your CV. A polished final draft can make a lasting impression on potential employers. By crafting a well-written cover letter, you'll increase your chances of standing out in a crowded job market. Take the time to perfect it, and you'll be one step closer to landing your dream job. Writing a cover letter can be quick and stress-free with the right tools. Our cover letter builder provides creative, professional, and modern templates to help you highlight your potential and make a great impression, even with no experience. Check CVMaker.uk to start your journey and craft a standout cover letter today. Good luck!